I am on onion mode. Let's add a burst of flavor and color to our dishes with this amazing and very simple, easy to make pickled red onion recipe. I try to keep these on hand because they pair so well with so many Mexican dishes. For example, I've had them with tacos, flautas, sopes, empanadas. Ooh, and I can only imagine them in tacos made with carnitas. All right, first thing is we need to start by thinly slicing 2 red onions. I've already started because this is a very vulnerable moment for me. These even had milk coming out of them, so yep, I was crying for a long time. But it is so worth it because they are that delicious. This next part is optional because we're gonna be adding a kick of heat, and I like to use habaneros because they have these floral tones that are very distinctive, and I just love how they pair with pickled red onions. But you can also use serranos, jalapenos, or simply omit the pepper part for a non-spicy version. Remove the seeds and stem. You can use your desired amount. I'm doing 4.
Just 4?
But it is up to you. Thinly slice them.
I can smell the fire all the way over here.
I know, he's been saying that over and over again. Come on, Nelson. Is there habaneros in El Salvador?
I don't know, I don't think so.
What kind of peppers did you used to have over there?
Chiles de árbol.
Oh, yeah, those are awesome. That's how I learned to eat spicy with chiles de árbol.
Yeah.
All right, just add these in with the onions. So what I'm using here is an airtight container. Next, we're gonna need very hot tap water. This is 2 cups. I'm gonna dissolve the sugar in here, and we're gonna be doing 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon. And you can do a sugar alternative as well. Let's do the same amount of kosher salt and whisk to dissolve. This looks great. Now do 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. You can also do white wine vinegar. I've done it like that before and it tastes really good. And 1 cup of freshly squeezed lime juice. Oh, I'm so glad these are nice and juicy. All right, let's do 1 tablespoon plus a teaspoon of dry Mexican oregano and some freshly ground black pepper to taste. Whisk everything to combine. Pour all of that brining liquid.
That smells so good.
It is good. It is beautiful. I like to press them down, make sure everything gets submerged. Tightly cover these and place them in the fridge. Allow them to brine for at least 1 hour. I know I've gotten impatient in the past and I've done 15 minutes. As soon as I saw them ready, I would dig in. But anyway, you can store them in the fridge for about 2 to 4 weeks and just enjoy them with so many meals. I'm gonna link a lot of them down in the description area so you can try them out. And until the next one, everyone.